Thank you for joining me and learning more about the Acutraq online application for employers, volunteers, and nonprofit organizations. This application process will add value by allowing your applicants to complete the application process online. There is no expensive software to buy, and we will add your logos and completely customize this application to match the application you are currently using. By adding this to your website, applicants can complete the data entry, and it gives you the ability to access the application and background check in one central location. The welcome screen is fully customizable and can have a welcome message, criteria for hire, or anything you would like the applicant to know at this point in the application process. We have also added a feature in which applicants can resume their application in the event they are interrupted during the application process. Here we capture the applicant's information. Throughout each section, we can customize the questions and information to match or exceed the information you are capturing with your current application. Each field can be set to required if needed, and when set to required, it will not allow the applicant to move forward until all required fields are entered and checked. The employment history setting can be configured to require past employers by either a number of years, such as, please list previous and current employers for the past 3 years, or it can be a number, such as, please list current and 2 previous employers. If the dates or number of employers does not match what is required, it will not allow the applicant to move forward. We can also add an upload feature to any section. This allows the applicant to submit a resume, a copy of identification, copy of education credentials, and so on. Education history, references, emergency contacts, and all other fields can be customized to get the information you require. We can also add new sections in the event you need specialized information within your employment or volunteer application. Remember, each field can be set to required or not required depending on what you need for your application. You'll notice upon moving forward, one of the required boxes was not checked. This means the applicant must complete that section before they are allowed to click through to the next section. Now that we have the applicant's information, we will move forward with the disclosures and authorizations that are needed. These disclosures are necessary to be compliant with all federal and state laws. With Acutraq, we will always make sure your practices are compliant with all governing entities. Upon checking that they have acknowledged and read the proper disclosures and authorizations, it will allow them to move forward and submit the application. Some states require other authorizations and disclosures, which we can implement within the online application. At this point, the applicant has submitted the application and can now print out a copy, and along with it, each disclosure and authorization that they have agreed to. So now you will see a copy of the application, and this is exactly what would be submitted upon the applicant completing your online application. Many times employers want a solution without having to buy costly software and applicant tracking systems. This is an option that will allow you to attract more applicants and make it easier for them to submit their application, upload documents, and sign off for their background check all in one user-friendly location. For more information, call 888-361-7036 or email us at info@acutraq.com.